go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with WoWEbony here. It's my first time trying a wig from this company, so I'm pretty excited. You know, this is a box, pretty simple. It does have their social media listed, and as I open the box I see this bag. Before I get into that, I got one of these clips, perfect for sectioning your hair. Have a wig cap, and I have a pamphlet. I also got a cashback card, information on that if you need to return and stuff. So yeah, that's everything in the box. So now I have this drawstring bag, and it's branded WoWEbony, just the same as the box. This is what the wig is in, and that's the only thing in the bag. Okay, wow, so I got this gorgeous 99J wig. This is so nice. I love getting 99J wigs, to be very honest. They say this is 24 inches, but honestly this looks a little longer. This really looks like, it feels like 26. I'm loving that. I'm always like, when you know you get a little brata, that nice. Yeah. It's also pre-plucked nicely. Don't know if you can see that. And it is a 13x6 parting. The inside also has a total of 4 combs for extra security. An extra elastic band is in there, and adjustable straps in the back, so you know it's nice and secure, can't fall off so easy. And yeah, as I said, I'm going to list all the necessary information about this wig in the description box, so if you need, you know, to purchase it for yourself and all of that, the link is going to be down there, down below. Look at that movement, it's so gorgeous. Loving the luster, everything. It looks really nice and natural, and the color is not too bold, you know, so all the people that want to dibble and dabble in a little bit of color, you don't have to be too scared to wear this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing. So as you can see, I went ahead, started to just cut away the extra ear portion that's way too long. You guys know that this happens quite a lot, because even though it's a medium cap size that I go with, sometimes the ear portion comes a little bit too long, which I definitely prefer than it coming too small, because at least you will have more to work with than less to work with, and at least you can take away what you don't need rather than having too little to work with, is what I'm trying to say. So I sprayed the area with my adhesive, went in with cool air, started to dry that down, and this is pretty nicely pre-plucked. You could definitely go in and pluck it more for more graduation. It's all up to you and what you like, so feel free to do what you want right there. Okay, the lace, it was really, it melted in really nice. So that's a go. I kind of fast forwarded, and I did the same for the other side, obviously, and then I went in with my elastic band and kind of just further melt it down. Yeah, I did this for like a minute. So after I was done with that, I literally took my hot comb before even cutting away the excess lace, and I really just wanted to lay the front there as flat as possible, because the hair was kind of laying in the opposite direction, taking it out of the box. So I wanted to make sure I kind of put it the other way, if you understand what I mean. Like, just by watching it, you'll see what I mean. So I was just trying to lay it out, like, away from my face.
My time, watch me build another life, find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind, hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score, we've been here once before. So many words unspoken, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain, I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure.
So I did the parting. This is a beautiful 13 by 6 parting, by the way. As I mentioned before, I love when the parting space is this deep. Yeah, it's just something about that deep parting that just looks so sleek, and I like it. I got my flat iron and I just took my time to straighten that. Nothing special, just ran my flat iron right throughout the wig. And yeah.
Adventure.
I'm all done with the wig. Give it a nice center part. Straighten. So easy. It's straight wig, so it's a straight texture, I should say. So of course it's gonna be really easy to straighten. Look at that. Minimal. The baby hair is really light, or the swoops, I did them really light. So I love that. That's definitely what I was going for. I didn't want to do too much. I really just love this sleek look. It's really nice and flowy, and as I said, I feel like this is 26. This can't be 24, but 24 is what they said it is. It's really nice. I love the luster, the movement. It doesn't shed a lot. I only got like a few strands, very minimal shedding from this wig, and I love the color. Absolutely perfect for fall. So I love that. I'm going to be sure to put all specifications of this wig in my description box as usual. The direct link where you can go ahead and get this. So WoWEbony definitely came through. I feel like the quality of this is really nice. So I would 10 out of 10 recommend. It does feel good, feels strong as well. Like, it doesn't feel like, you can just tell when you put your hands on something. Feels good. So yeah, and it's fresh faced again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
On the new adventure.